I have a film coming up which we shot just before the lockdown, this time during the second wave in Bhopal, yeah, uh, which is called Shukradosh. So hopefully that will release sometime this year. But you never know because it's a theatrical release, so I'm not sure. Again, I don't know. Hopefully, let's see. So that's happening. Then I've just almost completed shooting for a web series, but I'm not at liberty to reveal the name yet.
Hey guys, this is Hitesh Malik. You're watching me on Bollywood Live, and today we have two very sweet guests with us, Karan Jotwani and Tara Alisha Berry, whom we are seeing and loving in Dice Media's first season 6. Hi guys, welcome to the portal. How are you doing?
I have been great, thank you. I hope I trust you're doing well yourself, and it's good to be on your platform today and interact with the audience. And there's no audience here per se, but then again, eventually you'll get there. But I think it's great to be interacting with you after like a while.
Tara.
Hi, I'm good. Again, as Karan said, you guys have sort of met before, but we haven't. But yeah,
we'll soon
I'm
meet.
really, yes. No, but thank you for speaking with us today.
With that, I have a very quick and fun game here. It's called Question. In this game, you will be playing the characters that you have been playing in the series. You will be Paki and you will be Ankur. But the twist here is that you have to initiate a conversation in those characters. But the deal here is you can't answer a question. So, for example, if Ankur asks anything to Paki has to reply in a question. Okay? So, let's start with Ankur.
So I ask her anything, right?
Yeah, and the one who answers the question, doesn't ask a question back, loses the game.
Okay, so what's it? So I have to ask her a question based on me as Ankur.
Yeah.
And she has to answer
as Paki. So you have to hold a conversation as the characters. And the deal here is just ask questions. You don't have to answer the question. Cool. Go ahead, Karan.
Paku, how many months later did you realize that you were pregnant?
Ankur, the day I realized, I told you, na? You don't remember?
I remember, but I thought you have a better memory than me.
That's a statement. You lost the game.
No. I thought you
Won't work. You lost the
game.
So we have the winner with us. Tara is the winner.
Awesome.
I honestly thought I would fail.
Yeah, but you took a lot of time to ask your first question. So I would not completely declare you as the winner.
Oh God!
You both suck at it. Let's be honest. You both suck at it. Maybe in the next level, when we meet next, we'll play it again. Maybe you'll be better at this game.
Yeah, I'll come prepared.
Okay. Now, Karan, tell me, you have moved from TV to OTT. Are you still open to TV, or was it what are your next projects in your kitty? Are you looking for more OTT space things? What's it up with you?
I would just like to say that it's a great time to be an actor right now with how OTT is blooming up eventually. I think that's the only, I don't know if I should put it that way, but that's the only good thing that came out of the pandemic, because people realized that, watching content at home on your mobile phone also can be a big deal. Because of which it's just been a year and you can just see the number of series that have come out.
Right.
Not just that, but so many platforms have also come up, so many mediums, so many new channels have come up on the OTT bit. So I think it's a great time if you really believe that you want to experiment with who you are as a person, and if you really think that you have a caliber within you to give those things a shot. But I would never say never for anything, to be very honest to you, because I am here ideally sitting here also because of the fact that I did TV for like 5-6 years. So I'm very grateful for that, and I have tried my best to also pick up roles that have been very diversified on TV, even though people look at TV as a medium where it's all about being over the top. It's about being drama, but it's not always like that. If you portray your character in a certain way also, of course there's a creative process involved with the same, but you also need to understand the audience that you're targeting, right? At the end of the day, that's how you perform. If the masses want to see something over the top, you will have to do it like that.
Right. I know.
If the masses are a little more realistic, you have to behave that way. You have to enact it that way.
Yeah.
So I think I would never say never for anything. If there's something that's really exciting, that really challenges me, to be very honest with you, is where I would definitely take the plunge. But definitely OTT is something that I really, really want to try for, because, like I said, I think it's just a perfect time. It's budding. It's coming up fresh with more and more content, and it's challenging you as well. So the idea is not to get very comfortable with who you are as an artist. It's to break that entire barricade and also try for things that will challenge you and lift you as an artist, because like Mr. Amitabh Bachchan ji says that he's still learning as an actor. Yeah. So who are we to even say that we are very comfortable with what we are doing? So it's all about I think it's a very personal call, situationally for sure. But if there's anything exciting happening on any platforms, I will definitely like to give it a shot. So that's the plan.
Where do we see you next? What's in your kitty for now?
There's nothing happening right now.
Okay, you're reading script.
I have very recently started auditioning. In fact, this was my second audition for DICE, which I shot with Tara. Because I was spending more time with family, essentially. Because you know how it is, right? When TV goes on, then there's
no time. Yeah.
So you need some time with fam, and you have to unwind, because once the entire schedule of getting bustling again with work starts off, then you possibly can't shell out time for family, friends, and all of that. And plus, the lockdown also did come in, right?
Right.
And the second wave was really ugly, unfortunately. So that is something that also played on everyone's mind. And things haven't been the same since last year with regards to work. TV has been flourishing. Of course, TV has gone on because it's an everyday thing. But a lot of web content, a lot of films got stalled.
Right.
Things got pushed. And I believe nothing has really started off, I believe.
Right.
And I think people are, because there's an expectation of a third wave, maybe not. So depending on that, the situation, I believe people would, nobody wants to have a little bit of a, a stoppage in their schedule, something, because if something goes wrong, and with the second wave, things just escalated so fast that everything just came to a standstill, right?
Right.
So everyone's taking the time. In the meantime, I am also trying to watch new content and grow myself that way, because I think that's something that I really want to do. And if there's something exciting, I would definitely test for it. And let's see how it goes.
And we'll speak again.
Yeah, for sure.
Tara, what about you?
I have a film coming up which we shot just before the lockdown, this time during the second wave, in Bhopal, which is called Shukra Dosh. So hopefully that will release sometime this year. But you never know, because it's a theatrical release, so I'm not sure. Again, I don't know. Hopefully, let's see.
Okay.
So that's happening. Then I've just almost completed shooting for a web series, but I'm not at liberty to reveal the name yet. And apart from that, I'm just going to Ranchi next month to shoot for another film called Shubh Muhurat.
Oh wow!
So yeah, so it'll be my first time in Ranchi. So that will be
excited?
fun. I love exploring the country. Yeah, I'm really excited, because the thing is, India is just the most beautiful place. We have everything.
Right.
We have the mountains, we have oceans, we have, forests, we have rivers, lakes, we have all the various facets of nature in our country. And I love the fact that through work, I get to experience, the different food, eat the different food.
I think eating food is also an experience in itself.
Yeah, for sure. So get to do that, and also to see different places in our own country, because I've considered traveling solo but I was told that, as a woman in India, maybe it's not such a great idea. It's not the safest thing. So I have done it, but I've done it very, very safely. I hope that I get to see our entire country through work and also personally.
I hope
as the
you do.
years go by.
Awesome. So definitely we are waiting for your next projects, and I hope we get in touch when those projects get released. With that, best of luck for Dice Media's first season 6, and I think it's already going great, and people are loving you guys as Ankur and Paki. Good luck with the show, and let's soon get connected again. Thank you guys for being a part of this conversation.
Thanks for your time. Please stay safe, and warm regards to your family. Take care, man.
Thank you so much, and same to you. Bye, guys.
Bye.